Ma'am, can I ask what you're doing?
I'm recording the building.
Why?
Because I want to.
For what purpose? Can I get a supervisor to the front door, please?
Hey, ma'am, you know this is a public building?
Exactly. That's why I'm recording
Okay,
it.
it's also a court facility,
Yep.
which there is a judicial law or judicial order that says that you cannot tape this building.
Can I see that order?
Yes, come on in. We're going to check your IDs too.
Oh, no, I'm not going in.
Oh, yeah, no. We're going to run you too.
No, that's all
We're going to
right.
get your name. We're going to do a report and everything. So come on in.
No.
No, yeah, you're going to come in now.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what?
Because right now you are doing something suspicious.
That's not a reason to detain anybody.
Well, it is for Dana. Come on.
It's really
Let's
not.
go
So
inside
I'm just going
now.
to stay here and continue recording.
Okay. You're going to come in and we're going to find out who you are and what you're doing here.
No, you're not.
Okay. All right, who's got cuffs? She does not want to go agreeably. Okay.
I'm being detained for just taking pictures of the building.
Yes, ma'am. You're doing something suspicious and we need to know who you are and why you're doing it. Okay?
Are you familiar with the First Amendment?
Yes. I am.
Really?
Let's
Put your
go
hands
in.
behind your back.
Come on.
Wow.
I tried to do this nicely. You are aware of Homeland Security, right?
Are you familiar with the 2010 DHS memo that allows me to film?
If you've got a reason for being here filming, then we need to know what it is.
No, you don't. It's none of your business.
Huh?
I don't consent to any searches. I'm taking pictures, and that's it.
Okay. Well, then we will detain you until we decide who you are.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm going to remain silent until I talk to a lawyer.
Okay. Call your lawyer.
That includes my camera as far as consent.
Well, it's already on.
Are you familiar with the Fourth Amendment?
Oh, great. Why do we always get the crazies?
Until I talk to a lawyer.
Okay. Call your lawyer.
That includes my camera as far as consent.
Well, it's already on.
Are you familiar with the Fourth Amendment?
Oh, great. Why do we always get the crazies?
I don't know.
Courtroom 209 and courtroom 102. Go for 102. Mayor, can you check and see if Officer 132 is there?
Milazzo, Larson.
What was it?
All right. All we're asking is for an
Do you have an
ID so we
ID?
can find out who you
I
Officer
don't
are.
consent to searches,
132.
and I'm remaining silent. So that's it. I was taking pictures outside, and that's it.
That officer's en route.
You were taking pictures of a secure building.
Yep.
He doesn't need to come up. The
In public.
prosecutor just wanted me to check on it.
Absolutely. Okay.
He's already en route. 10-4, thanks, Mayor.
Okay.
Did you delete my footage?
Do you want to cooperate or not?
I'm remaining silent.
Okay.
It is only making it worse. Do you want to give us
I'm
an
remaining
ID?
silent. I'm remaining silent. I don't consent to searches.
We're not going to search you. We're asking for an ID. What the fuck is going on today?
I don't know.
Every crazy loon in the building is coming. All we're asking is an ID.
We're asking for an
So
ID.
We'll do a report. You can go on your way with your camera. Otherwise, I'm going to confiscate the camera, and we're going to take it downstairs
For what
and we'll
crime?
print you. Because you're suspicious.
I'm remaining silent.
This is going to be your last chance. We're going to take you downstairs. Then you will be arrested. We will
what?
fingerprint you, and we will run you.
Is this what you want?
I'm remaining silent.
Spanish to 204. Anybody sees the interpreter? Spanish to 204, please.
All right.
You'll go to bond court at 1:30, and then the judge will decide what he will do for you recording at a courthouse. So you may or may
Outside.
not go home tonight.
I'm remaining
They
silent.
take it not so lightly. It can either be an incident report, or you're going to go to bond court. I mean, that's going to be up to you. I mean, so you're
So I
making
have to
it for
identify
you.
myself, or I'm going to go to bond court?
Yes, I mean, the
remaining
lieutenant
silent.
is going to charge you. So, I mean, you're just making it worse. He's given you the chance to have it be an incident report versus...
I'll see what my lawyer
You-
says.
Do you want to call your lawyer?
Yep. You don't have any cameras in here?
You're on camera right now.
Where?
I'm literally
Oh, good.
recording you.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, this is your choice. You can either give us an ID so that we can do a report on this and find out who you are, or we're going to take you in front of the presiding judge. He's going to hold you in contempt, which means that he can hold you for as long as he wants.
Remaining silent.
Okay, let's do it. I'm going to call the judge then, let him do it.
Okay. Here, Con, these are yours. Lou may want you to... We'll have to wait and see what he says.